You may not have heard, but CompanyCam now connects to JobDox, the premier software for restoration contractors. So JobDox handles your restoration projects from start to finish. You can communicate with your customer, track everything that your employees are doing. You can plan your routes, you can draw out rooms. I mean, I've taken a tour of their software and it's absolutely incredible how much it organizes the entire project and everything your company is doing into one place. And now it connects with CompanyCam. So when you take CompanyCam photos out in the field, those will immediately sync into JobDox under the right folder in the right place so that it's connected with all the other records that you're building for that client. So check out that integration. And if you haven't checked out JobDox, just go there, job-dox.com. We are on a mission to connect CompanyCam to all the software you use so that it all works absolutely seamlessly. So if you have any other suggestions of integrations that we should do or something you would like to see, please email us at hello@companycam.com.